How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So thanks for clicking on another video. So we're back out in the woods here for a little overnight trip. So it's October 2nd, I believe. So moose hunting season is in full swing here now in Newfoundland. So like I said, I'm out for the night here by myself. I'm hiking in this old trail now, and then this trail eventually peters out, and I'm gonna keep hiking for another few kilometers. So when we get into mid-afternoon here now, I'm gonna be looking for a spot to set up camp for the evening. So I got my shelter for this evening is going to be my 10x10 AquaQuest tarp. So we're going to be spending the night under the tarp, and I got a steak there to cook up. So we're going to be getting a big fire going here later. Cook up a steak. Got a couple of beers in the pack there to sip on while we're sitting around the fire this evening. And yeah, should be a good night. So hope you stay tuned. Well, first promising moose sign that I've seen so far. So it looks like a bull. Got this tree skinned out pretty good here. So must have been a bull here working his rack on this little birch tree. Pretty fresh. Well, a couple of grouse just scared the crap out of me. It's about 5 feet away from them when they took off, made a racket. There's one right here in this tree. See if I can catch some footage of him now as he flies off. Other one's up in this tree. Both of them are in the same tree here now. Oh, what a fright. Almost walked right over them before they took off on me, and just about scared the life out of me. So grouse season is open here now in Newfoundland, but I do have a small game license, but I don't have a small enough caliber rifle to harvest one of those, so I'll let them go. Well, some fresh black bear scat here, and it's not the first lot I've seen in this area. Looks like they're feeding on partridge berries, so probably not the best spot to set up camp. I've seen quite a bit of fresh scat here in this area, so anyways, I'm gonna keep hiking a little longer. Still fairly early in the afternoon, so got lots of time. Well, great spot for moose here, but probably not the best spot for me to see one actually, or not the best spot for me to shoot one, I should say, because we're pretty far in the woods here now, pretty far off the trail. So if I killed one back here now today by myself, I'd have my work cut out for me, to say the least. But anyways, just out for a hike more than anything, so figured I'd come out on this bag. I've been here a few times before, so figured I'd come out for a look. Yeah, we're getting into mid-afternoon now, so I'd like to find a spot to set up camp here soon, but won't be setting up here on this bag anywhere, that's for sure. Anyways, I'm gonna get a little drink out of this brook here now, and we'll keep pushing on a little further and try to find a camp. Woo! How's it going, guys? So we're here at camp. I just got the tarp all set up there. This is my first time setting the tarp up this way, so it took me a little bit of messing around there to get it right, but we got her all set up there now, so should be comfortable enough for a night, I think. So anyways, we're on the go pretty much all day, 5 or 6 hours of hiking anyways. So no moose, didn't see any, saw lots of fresh sign and fresh tracks and all that kind of stuff, but didn't see any animals. But that's fine, just happy to be out here for a night. So anyways, we're gonna get settled away at camp here now. I still gotta make a little fire pit here out in front, and I gotta go find a bunch of firewood. So I don't see a ton of wood in the immediate area here, but I'm hoping if I hike back up behind camp a little bit here, I'm going to be able to find enough wood to do me for a few hours here to cook up some food and stuff anyways. Whew. Well, it is almost 6 p.m. here now, so probably got about an hour and a half of daylight left here. So anyways, I got quite a bit of wood cut up there, so I'm going to get the fire going here shortly. Getting pretty hungry here now. Haven't eaten a whole lot at all here today. We're on the move most of the day, so just had a few little snacks here and there throughout the day. So got a steak here to throw on the grill on the fire here shortly, so that's going to be good. Looking forward to that. But first things first, I'll crack open a nice cold beer here now. Seems to be pretty cold anyways. So I got a Pump House 4 Alarm IPA. Don't think I ever tried this one before, so sure it's going to be good. Well, cheers, guys. Yeah, it's good. So, I'm just going to get my steak seasoned up here now, ready to go on fire. Then I'm going to get the fire going. But, in the meantime, actually, I got a new knife here. So, I was going to show you guys this knife here real quick before we get the fire going. So, this is the Newfoundland Ranger 2, I believe it's called. Made by Jonathan Stiles, who's the owner of Newfoundland Knife Company. So a local company, and this is one of his original designs. So he designed and handcrafted this knife. So I picked it up there a few weeks ago. Haven't had a whole lot of time to use it yet. So this is actually the first trip I've been out on since I bought it from him there a few weeks back. But yeah, just an absolutely beautiful knife. He does great work. So Check out this thing. It's a beast of a knife. I think it has a 6-inch blade, I believe it is, but yeah, it fits the hand just like a glove. So I'm loving it so far. And just check out this sheath. So he was able to etch my logo into the sheath here, and I gotta say it turned out really nice. The sheath itself is just amazing. It was really good leather work. He's got a great job done on the sheath. So yeah, Newfoundland Ranger 2 from Jonathan Stiles and the Newfoundland Knife Company. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video here to this knife and to his website if you want to check out any of his products. Like I said, he does great work. Local guy, local company, and I'm a big believer in supporting local. So yeah, you guys will see that knife quite a bit, I would say, in my videos coming up now through the course of the fall. Well, we had a pile of rain last night, like 30 to 40 millimeters, I think it was. So even the birch bark is soaking wet here today. So could be a little bit of a struggle to get the fire going here. Well, steak is all cooked up here. I'm hoping it's cooked anyways. I'm sure it's cooked enough for me. Time to cut her open. Oh yeah. Well, maybe a little overcooked if anything, but I couldn't really care a whole lot at this point. Starving here now. Oh yeah, it's good. Well, just finished up supper, so steak hit the spot for sure. It was really good. So anyways, it's getting dark pretty fast here. Faster than I was expecting, actually. It's 7 p.m. so still looks pretty light on the camera here, but I don't think we got a whole lot of daylight left. Maybe 20-30 minutes tops. It's going to be pitch dark here. So yeah, I'm just going to clean up around camp here, pack the food stuff away, and hike that down through the woods a little bit here. So it's away from the shelter. And that's going to be about it. I'm just going to be hanging out under the tarp here, keep the fire going for as long as I can till I run out of firewood, I guess. I got one more beer with me here, so I'll crack that open here now in a minute. Yeah, that's about it. Just hanging out and enjoying the evening. Well, just hanging out under the tarp here now, watching the fire. So I just cracked open my last beer. So this is a Landwash Brewery IPA, brewed in Mount Pearl, Newfoundland. So it's first time having this one, I think. But yeah, it's pretty good. Anyways, cheers. Well, I had a good day today. So no moose, but had a great day of hiking. Covered quite a bit of country there. So not sure exactly how much distance we covered, but I'll take a look at the map there tomorrow. I'd say probably 7 or 8 kilometers, maybe something like that. So yeah, saw lots of fresh sign, fresh tracks and stuff. But anyways, we gotta walk out tomorrow, so we'll have a look around again now tomorrow morning on the way out. So I got a bit of a late start there today, so ideally when I'm moose hunting I like to get on the go like first thing in the morning around daylight or shortly after daylight. But that wasn't really an option today, so anyways, it's all good. Still lots of time left yet in the season. Just the beginning of October here now, so yeah, the weather's slowly starting to cool down here. So I'm hoping to get some more moose hunting in now in the next few weeks coming up. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's about it for this evening, I'd say. So if I don't check back in anymore tonight, now I'll check back in the morning. Oh. Well, morning guys. So we made it through the night. It was a pretty quiet night actually. Slept pretty good, so had some pretty hard rain there around 3 a.m. just after 3 a.m. I think it was. So that woke me up there for a bit, but managed to get back to sleep. So it's about 7:30 here now. Just getting daylight. So yeah, anyways, still a little bit of rain falling here. Not bad, just a light shower off and on. But yeah, I'm gonna get up here now. Stashed away a few pieces of firewood there last night for the fire this morning. So got that under the tarp here with me. So I'm gonna get out now in a minute and get the fire going. Boil up some water, have a coffee and a quick breakfast, and then we'll be breaking down camp and getting out of here. Well, just finishing up the last of my coffee here now. All the firewood is on the fire. It's starting to burn down here, so I've been kind of trying to wait out the rain and hoping it's going to clear off, but I don't think it's going to, so looks like I'm going to have to suck it up and hike out in the rain here this morning. But yeah, it was a great night. Kind of a little different being out here without either one of the dogs with me. So, you know, they're usually with me on probably 99% of my overnight trips. So yeah, definitely miss their company when I'm out by myself like this, but I would say they'll be with me now on my next trip. So anyways, guys, I think I'm going to pack the camera gear away in the bag before I start hiking out here this morning, so it doesn't get wet or whatever. But yeah, I'll keep the GoPro handy just in case anything exciting happens. But if not, I think I'm going to end the video here. So just wanted to say thanks for watching. Thanks for the support, and a big thanks to anyone who's subscribed to the channel. Really appreciate it. Really helps the channel grow. And yeah, thanks a lot for your support. So that's going to pretty much do it for this one, guys. So hope everyone's doing good, staying safe out there, and we'll see you on the next video.